Hi guys, it's Dan Crafty Kimchi. Welcome back to my channel. I am back with a haul. How are you guys? I hope everyone is well. I'm really excited to come back with a buttons galore and more haul. This is a little bit of Halloween and Christmas. We're getting in the season. It's crunch time. All the major holidays are coming up, and I wanted to show you what I got. And there's a lot of fun items in here. So there is some new items that I'm excited about. They released a whole bunch of new items and I've never seen them before, so I was excited to pick them up and start crafting with them. And we are in prime holiday season, so let's get started on this haul. So these are called the pops, or just pops, I guess. So they have a mix of these little white, they're like balls, and flat back jimmies in here, and I just thought this was such a fun little kind of like addition to your sequence mixes. They're really fun, and I did pick them up in 4 different colors. The first one is Lily, and this white one is going to be so perfect for Christmas. I'm excited. This one here is called Bermuda, and I just love this kind of like a light aqua blue. I just thought it was perfect. It's beautiful. And of course we couldn't be without an orange. This is Tiger Lily. And look how fun these are. Like, imagine this in a shaker. This would be a really fun mix. And I kind of love this idea for like a, what do you call those? Cauldron. Oh my God. Word was escaping me. So this is a really fun mix. Of course, we can't be without a pink one, and this is Pink Sands. But look how pretty that is, as a really light pink, and I just love the iridescent flatback jimmies in there. And this is also what I was thinking about. This is Dewdrop for a cauldron shaker. So I'm so excited for these new ones. They also had new, I missed this on the last one. This is the mix-ups, and basically what it is, it's a mix of different flatbacks. They added the little balls in here, but in different colors. There's clay bits in here. This is the ultimate mix, and I was so bummed I missed out on this, and this is Spellbound. So I got 2 of these because I was like, not today, because Halloween is here, and these are my colors. We got the pinks, we got a little bit of the yellows, which I'm not really terribly crazy about, but you know what, we'll make it work. The clay bits are bat shaped, so again, they're so fun, and I can't wait to craft with these. I did get a couple of more mix-ups. I got this one, which is Snowfall, and look how pretty that is. So the clay bits, although it may be difficult to see, are actual snowflakes, and I thought these were perfect. There's white snowflake sequence in here, there's white snowflake sequence in here, there's little iridescent hearts, you got some pearls in here. Oh, it's so pretty, and it really makes the whole shaker mix super easy. This one, Elf Made, is absolutely a darling. I can't, with the little confetti, kind of like the cupcake, words escape me today, guys, but this is so pretty for a classic Christmas mix. Okay, so I did pick up 2 of these half pearls. I don't know why I got them. They're so pretty. I love the pinks. One is Pink Paradise, and this really is Pink Paradise. You got the different tones of pink in here, light pink, dark pink, so perfect. This one is the perfect Valentine's one. This one is called Bora Bora, and I actually absolutely love it. They have different size pearls, and I love the iridescent on them. They're so pretty. So got that. And then I did get a whole bunch of buttons because we are in the season. So I'm going to start off with the Halloween buttons because we are in Halloween mode. And I got this one here, and it's called the embellishment set. And look how cute this is, you guys. And I'm a huge lover of just clipping these backs or just keeping them as is. And this is like the jackpot mix, you guys. Just snip the back, and there's so many pieces in here, so I love that. You got like ghosties, jack-o'-lanterns, witch hats, and like just a fun. You even got the haunted mansion. I love this mix. I think it's such a perfect, especially if you love resin or anything like that. This one, although, is like so cute. This is slightly different. You got some, and this is called just Halloween. There's a bunch in here, you guys. There's some spider webs, the ghosties. You've got Frankenstein. I just love it. The jack-o'-lantern. And then you got some basic Halloween buttons, which I thought was a perfect little mix. This one was so cute. I just love the design on the buttons. This is called Scream. And look all the different colors. I love the two tones on these, and I thought this was really cute. Now I have some Christmas buttons that I'm just so excited to share with you. And this one actually is, I'm not sure if this is a button or just a flat back. More, you can use it as a button, but this was so delicate. This is called Winter Shimmer, and they are tiny. They're like the size of my pinky, but I just love how delicate they are. Can't wait to use these. This one I'm so excited for. This is just Christmas lights, you guys. Again, you can snip the backs, but I thought I could really make a fun embellishment with these, and I'm so excited. This one is just another Christmas bag. I love these little mix packs because you get so much, and there's like no like terror or fear of using one because there's only one. There's so many in here, and it's a really good mix. I also got this one. This is Colors of Christmas. Again, I love the two tones. I think they're really fun. And I think it's a darling little set. Like the little candy cane, the peppermints are just so darling. And I got this one as well, and this is Silent Night. And I just love how pretty these are. And that concludes my Buttons Galore and More haul. I'll leave my coupon code, guys, if you feel inspired to buy any of these items or just shop around. It saves you a couple of bucks. And that is it for today's video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, everyone.